everyone, today I am going to be visiting the Natural History Museum of Muscat, Oman. This museum has 4 compartments. The last compartment is about dolphins and whales. This is very interesting, so stay tuned till the end. Let's go inside. These are the millions of years old fossils. This is a rat without a tail found in the mountains of Oman. These are the sea animals like turtles. These are the rocks and shells found on the beach. These are some details on the walls. This is a tool used for stitching. This is a fossil and coral found in the beach. These are the parts of the femurs and vertebrae of dinosaurs and mammals. This is a very old rock and there are more afterwards. I was very interested to see these very old rocks. And there were a few shells which were pretty interesting. These are the animals and birds found in various parts of Sultanate of Oman like mountains and deserts. I love to read these details on the walls. They were very interesting. This is the national animal of Oman, oryx. I am reading a few details on oryx. These are the mountain leopards. They look so real, I got scared. This is a mountain sheep. These are the birds of which lived near the beaches. One of them had a very long neck. These were the birds in the long grasses which looked very different from the ones I saw before. These details showed all the parts of the birds. This bird seemed very different. This is the claw of a bird. These are all the bones of the birds. This is an interactive map showing the locations of different birds. This was a quiz to find out how many birds you know. Here are the answers. Here were some reptiles on the mountains, like lizards, pythons, and chameleons. And I was again reading the interesting details. I saw many different types of insects in these glass cages. And oh my God, I have never seen so many insects before. And these spiders looked very scary. These were the tiniest to the largest shells found on the beaches of Oman. Now the wait is over. Here the part comes of dolphins and whales, which seem to be the most interesting. This big fossil is of the sperm whale, which is 18 meters long and usually found in groups. I love to see the details of these bones. Up here are the fossils of dolphins. Well, they look pretty realistic like the real structure, but still look different from the real ones. Here are some fish. These are some very interesting parts and details of these whales and dolphins. Here was a very large shell of a turtle. These are the bones of large whales. They look so large, I couldn't imagine the real size of the dolphins and whales. Oh, the museum's over. I wanted to see more. I hope you enjoyed this museum as much as I did. Bye!